Friends, do you know what a major reason for losses in trading is? It's when you look at a chart in the wrong time frame and take your trade in the wrong time frame. For example, when you see this chart right now, you might see that the market is falling. So if you think of trading based on this, your decision might be something else. While if you go to a 50-minute time frame, though you might feel that the market is rising and your decision here could be different.
So if you looked at just one time frame and placed a trade based on that, there are higher chances of being wrong and you might incur losses. So the question arises, what is the right time frame that we should look at for trading and analysis? Let's understand this because it varies a lot depending on the type of trading you are doing.
For example, if you are doing swing trading, then if you use a 15-minute candle here, your analysis will surely turn out wrong, right? So you should select your time frame according to the type of trading you are doing. So here we have told you what type of trading this is and what your time frame will be there. For example, if you are doing swing trading, then here you have to use 3 types of time frames. In fact, in every type of trading, you should look at a chart in at least 3 time frames. You need to. Like in this, the higher time frame on which you first need to look at the chart to determine the market direction will be weekly chart. After that, the time frame you will do the analysis in will be the daily chart if you are doing swing trading. And the time frame in which you will take the trade could be 4 hours. Besides this, if you assume you are doing BTST or working in crypto futures where you want to take a trade for 10 hours, 12 hours or 1 or 2 days, then in this scenario, your higher time frame to try to determine the market direction will be daily. It will be. Besides, you can do market analysis in a 4-hour time frame and take entries in a 1-hour time frame. And even whenever I tell you about trading in crypto futures, I tell you that trading in a 1-hour time frame would be better. You can either take a screenshot of it or note it down. But how to analyze based on this? Let's understand. So for this, let's get back to our Delta Exchange platform. See the example I am showing you. I am showing you an example of how to analyze in crypto, but in the same way, you can analyze any stock or any index. Now, let's assume you want to trade in crypto futures. In this case, you can determine the direction in the daily time frame. You can analyze in the 4-hour time frame and enter the market in the 1-hour time frame. So how to do this? Let's see live. We are now on the Delta Exchange platform. If you want to trade in crypto futures, the best platform for this is Delta Exchange. And the advantage of trading in futures is that the 30% tax applied in crypto is not applicable here. Secondly, if you trade in crypto futures, you can get leverage up to 200 times, meaning you can invest 1,000 rupees and you can buy up to 2 lakh rupees worth of Bitcoin. And by investing 10,000 rupees, you can buy up to 20 lakh rupees worth of Bitcoin. You will find. So here we have opened Delta Exchange. When you log into Delta Exchange, after that you get to see a market option here. You clicked on this and have it to give it. Now, as soon as you click on this, you can see all the futures contracts here in which you can trade. So for example, So, because we are trading in crypto futures and we need to determine the market direction first, we will use the 1-day time frame for this. Now, if we look at this chart in the 1-day time frame, we need to determine the market direction here, and it appears that the market is in a slight downtrend. So, what will we do now? Here, we will mark support and resistance. We need to find such points where after reaching the price either increased or decreased. So first, look up here. After reaching this point, the price was going up to here, but after reaching here, the price fell. At this point too, you can see after reaching here, the price has fallen again. If you look at this chart completely, you will see some chart pattern. If you understand which chart pattern this is, so do comment and let us know. Okay? And if you don't know what chart pattern this is or what chart patterns are, we have made a video on chart patterns. If you search for Niraj Joshi chart pattern, you will find this video. So here we can see an area where the price has fallen after reaching it. So what we will do is we will mark this range. Now, to mark the range, we need to go here and we see an option for a rectangle. We have to select it. And after selecting it, as soon as you extend it, you can mark the range like this. So we have marked the range here. Now if you look here, you will see that after reaching this range, the market increased repeatedly. Like when the price came here, it increased, and then after reaching here, the price went up. So we also mark this range as a support. So here, our P is high pastitia, BT, and P poya. We have marked this range as well, meaning this range is our support. So now we have marked the support range. But if we look now, what has the market done?
The market at 2 had broken our support, and after that the price went down. Again the market touched around our support and the price came down again. Mapik paskindi aksatipun.
In other words, the market has not respected the support at this point, and if we look for the next strong support, we see it in this range, which means there is no significant support here. So what we will do is mark a range here as well, like this. So after marking these levels, what did you understand?
First, you understood what the current direction of the market is. It's a bit of a downtrend. Second, you have identified some major and strong levels in the market from here.
So, what we will do now is go to the 4-hour time frame. Previously, we had selected the 1-day time frame. Now we change it to the 4-hour time frame. As soon as we select the 4-hour time frame here, we can see some additional information on this chart. And besides this, we can also refine the supports we've marked. As we can see, the support is coming around this level. So what we do is adjust it a bit. Here, our support is forming. Now, in addition to this, we can also see some support appearing in this area. You see, this support is also visible around here because if we look at the 4-hour time frame, the price has taken support at this level after coming down and then returning to this level again and taking support. So what we'll do is mark a support zone here as well. So we've marked another support zone in the 4-hour time frame. Okay? Besides this, if we talk about resistance, we will see that the price has given resistance many times here as well. So what we can do is mark this zone as resistance. So here we are marking it as resistance. So some more levels have emerged before us. Besides this, if you want to find levels somewhere, you can find them here as well. But now what we will do is, now with 4-hour up, in the 1-hour time frame, which is the time frame we need to take the trade. If you are working in crypto futures where you might take a trade for 10 hours, 12 hours or 1 to 2 days. If you want to take a trade for a short time frame, then I have already told you.
Here, a sheet has been provided based on which you can conduct analysis and you can adjust it according to your own needs. But at least you must analyze in 3 time frames. So now that we have come from the 4-hour to the 1-hour time frame, so here we are also seeing some more information based on which we can select some more levels. For example, if we look at the chart carefully, you will see that the price took support at this place, also took support at this place, again took support at this place, and at this level, the price took support many times. So first, this was a support, but now the price has come below it, so it will act as a resistance. But we are also getting a level here, so we will draw a level here as well, for which we have again taken the rectangle option and obtained it in this manner. Now, if you work according to these levels, your chances of being correct will increase significantly. So after you draw all these levels, it's important for us to understand how these levels can help us. See, these levels tell us from where to where the market can go. Like now you can see that the price is below this level and
Is here. That is, if the price falls, it might again take support around this level. It might not be the exact line around 81,000 or 80,000. Take support and if the price increases, it might take resistance at our level from 84,000 to 85,000 here and then fall. So now that all the levels have become apparent in front of you and you have analyzed the chart in multiple time frames, now what do you see? Can you see? You can see that the price is currently moving here. And after this, our next important level is this level, which is around 84,000.
The level at 84,000 is a strong resistance level. This means there is a low chance that the current price will go above this level. But we cannot take any short positions here. And then nor can we take buying positions. However, if the price breaks this level,
That alignment there. Now, so what does that mean? It means that the buyers here are very strong, and if they break this level once, there will be chances for the price to increase, and the price can go up to our next level. If it breaks that too, then the price can go up to this level. Can go. We understand this from here. But now what mistake do people make? What mistake do they make? As soon as the price breaks this range, they buy right there. See, it is not necessary that as soon as the price breaks, it doesn't go down a bit after that. It might be that the price broke it here, then the price comes down a bit, consolidates here, and then break out. So, it is important for you to understand. But if there is a breakout here, what will happen after that? There will be chances for the price to go up to this level. So you can roughly catch 4 to 5,000 points here. If the price breaks this level too, then the price can go up to this level. So here you can catch a few more 1,000 points. When we get the levels, we plan our strategy accordingly. So now when we know that the price is at this point, it might fall after reaching this level. So if the price falls, then there are very high chances that our level of 79,000 to 81,000, the price here can take support. So we understood one thing: if the price breaks this level, it will go here, and if it breaks this too, it will go here. But if the price does not break this range and stays here, then there are chances the price will fall, and if it falls, the price can come to this level, meaning the next range we drew.
This way you can plan your trade. Now see, you shouldn't make a trade based only on this. Along with this, you can use volume or any of your other strategies. I was just giving you a little bit of an idea of how you will analyze a chart in multiple time frames. And let me make it clear that this video is provided for educational purposes only. This is Suki